Abhor. Verb. Hate. Synonyms. Detest, loathe. Antonyms. Admire, love. Abrasive. Adjective. Rough, coarse, harsh. Synonyms. Harsh, rough. Antonyms. Smooth, gentle. Abhorrent. Adjective. Offensive, repugnant. Synonyms. Hateful, disgusting. Antonyms. Admirable, pleasant. Abrogate. Verb. Cancel, repeal. Synonyms. Abolish, revoke. Antonyms. Enact, approve. Absolution. Noun. Forgiveness, pardon. Synonyms. Mercy, release. Antonyms. Punishment, condemnation. Abstain. Verb. Desist, go without. Synonyms. Refrain, avoid. Antonyms. Indulge, participate. Abstemious. Adjective. Self-denying. Synonyms. Moderate, restrained. Antonyms. Indulgent, gluttonous. Abstruse. Adjective. Difficult to understand. Synonyms. Obscure, complex. Antonyms. Clear, obvious. Accolade. Noun. Tribute, praise. Synonyms. Award, honor. Antonyms. Insult, criticism. Acquiesce. Verb. Agree, give in. Synonyms. Consent, comply. Antonyms. Refuse, protest. Acrid. Adjective. Sharp, smell/taste. Synonyms. Pungent, bitter. Antonyms. Sweet, pleasant. Acrophobia. Noun. Fear of heights. Synonyms. High fear. Antonyms. Bravery, courage. Acuity. Noun. Sharpness. Synonyms. Keenness, alertness. Antonyms. Dullness, ignorance. Adroit. Adjective. Skillful. Synonyms. Clever, adept. Antonyms. Clumsy, awkward. Adulation. Noun. Strong admiration. Synonyms. Flattery, worship. Antonyms. Contempt, criticism. Adversity. Noun. Hardship. Synonyms. Difficulty, misfortune. Antonyms. Prosperity, ease. Advocate. Verb. Support. Synonyms. Recommend, defend. Antonyms. Oppose, protest. Aesthetic. Adjective. Concerning beauty. Synonyms. Artistic, tasteful. Antonyms. Unesthetic, ugly. Affable. Adjective. Friendly. Synonyms. Sociable, genial. Antonyms. Unfriendly, rude. Alacrity. Noun. Eagerness. Synonyms. Enthusiasm, readiness. Antonyms. Reluctance, hesitation. Alchemy. Noun. Medieval chemistry. Synonyms. Transformation, magic. Antonyms. Realism, science. Alibi. Noun. Excuse. Synonyms. Justification, defense. Antonyms. Confession, admission. Allay. Verb. To lessen. Synonyms. Ease, soothe. Antonyms. Intensify, provoke. Alleviate. Verb. Make less severe. Synonyms. Relieve, reduce. Antonyms. Worsen, aggravate. Aloof. Adjective. Distant, detached, cold. Synonyms: remote, reserved. Antonyms: sociable, friendly. Altruism. Noun: putting others first, self-sacrificing. Synonyms: selflessness, generosity. Antonyms: selfishness, egoism. Amass. Verb: accumulate. Synonyms: gather, collect. Antonyms: disperse, squander. Ambiguity. Noun: uncertainty, vagueness. Synonyms: doubt, obscurity. Antonyms: clarity, certainty. Ambiguous. Adjective: unclear in meaning. Synonyms: vague, unclear. Antonyms: clear, definite. Archetype. Noun: classic example. Synonyms: model, prototype. Antonyms: anomaly, deviation. Archives. Noun: collections of old records. Synonyms: records, repository. Antonyms: current files. Articulate. Adjective: clear, lucid, eloquent. Synonyms: expressive, fluent. Antonyms: inarticulate, unclear. Artifice. Noun: deception, trickery. Synonyms: deceit, cunning. Antonyms: honesty, sincerity. Artisan. Noun: craftsman. Synonyms: worker, craftsperson. Antonyms: amateur, unskilled. Ascetic. Adjective: without luxuries, simple. Synonyms: austere, frugal. Antonyms: indulgent, luxurious. Assiduous. Adjective: thorough, diligent. Synonyms: hardworking, persistent. Antonyms: lazy, careless. Assuage. Verb: to calm. Synonyms: ease, relieve. Antonyms: intensify, aggravate. Astute. Adjective: perceptive, sharp-wit. Synonyms: clever, shrewd. Antonyms: foolish, naive. Asylum. Noun: place of refuge or safety. Synonyms: shelter, refuge. Antonyms: danger, exposure. Bane. Noun: troublesome influence. Synonyms: curse, plague. Antonyms: blessing, benefit. Bard. Noun: poet. Synonyms: poet, minstrel. Antonyms: no direct opposite. Bastion. Noun: fortress, stronghold. Synonyms: stronghold, citadel. Antonyms: weakness, vulnerability. Befuddle. Verb: confuse. Synonyms: bewilder, perplex. Antonyms: clarify, enlighten. Begrudge. Verb: resent. Synonyms: envy, grudge. Antonyms: appreciate, accept. Beguile. Verb: mislead, lure. Synonyms: deceive, charm. Antonyms: repel, disenchant. Bellabore. Verb: explain in unnecessary detail. Synonyms: over-explain, repeat. Antonyms: summarize, simplify. Beleaguer. Verb: besiege, attack. Synonyms: harass, beset. Antonyms: support, aid. Belie. Verb: contradict. Synonyms: misrepresent, contradict. Antonyms: prove, confirm. Belittle. Verb: to demean. Synonyms, disparage, criticize. Antonyms, praise, compliment. Bellicose. Adjective. Warlike, aggressive. Synonyms, hostile, combative. Antonyms, peaceful, friendly.